Hi, I'm Kelsey Vazan. I'm a junior. I work at the YWCA for my Spartan internship. So when I was 3, I first moved here in this building with my mom and my brothers and sisters. And we weren't here for long, but whenever we moved out, I still continued to go to daycare here. And so whenever I found out that they were doing internships here, I really wanted to do it because I like kids and I love connecting with them, and I want to be like an inspiration to them. Really having this job, like I'm happy every day. Like their energy just like comes to you, and like you can never have a bad day here. It's like I'm a grown person doing like an actual job, and I come here from 8 to 5 every day, and it's just like I'm really like living my life like an adult. So it's like, I don't know, it was kind of like I was nervous because I felt like I was like by myself in the beginning because I didn't know like how things worked, but I really like connected with the other adults and the other children and everybody in there. The Spartan internship was the best thing ever for me. It was just like so fun.